किसी पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आते हैं अगर आर्टिस्ट आएंगे तो करेंगे, नहीं आएंगे तो पैसा नहीं बोल रहे सर। थैंक यू सर। शान भाई, शान भाई, शान भाई, हेलो साउंड चेक चेक, साउंड चेक, हेलो हेलो हेलो, साउंड चेक चेक चेक, हेलो 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 हेलो। Okay, don't not to look at. All right, cool.
And something about your gym, how much you're excited with the launch of your gym?
Well, our gym is a little different from other gyms now. Our gym is a vertical gym now. So generally you'll see all gyms are flat on one single level. So what we are doing here is, hold. All right. So what we are basically doing is, we are making sure for every different workout you have to climb up and down. So that is taking care of your active recovery. Again, we are well equipped with all kind of machines. We have a separate section for free weights, we have a separate section for machine weights, cardio segregated in separate section, we have a group exercise zone, we have our outdoor zone, and we have a cycling zone. So we are basically catering fitness needs for each and every individual, whether you are amateur, whether you are a pro, or you are a professional. We are catering everyone.
तो यहाँ पे जो ट्रेनर हो गए, वो ट्रेनर कहाँ से मतलब आपने दिए? It's a very big posh area.
Exactly.
Most of the actors stay here. They will come in your gym. So how you convincing your trainer to give proper services to their all this?
See, basically good service is within our culture itself. The way we have selected each and every trainer is based upon their qualification, their experience, and their mindset towards fitness. We do not believe in the theory that. So see, our basic theory with regarding fitness is fitness is not only about working out and exercising. What we are the way we are different from other gyms again. We are giving you customized diet plans and providing you customized diet, meals, which are covered in a manner which is taking care of all your fitness needs. Your workouts are customized, your meals are customized, and so we are 80% of your fitness needs are taken care of. The rest 20% is rest, which is basically upon our clients, which we advise them to take care of. It's a passion. I used to be a very, very, very overweight kid. I had a 30-inch waist, 38-inch waist. I was that fat. I was a human bean bag. So yeah. So what happened is basically when I got into fitness, I started losing weight. My self-confidence grew. My self-esteem grew. So slowly and steadily, I started liking fitness. And while I was studying in Liverpool, I used to work out in a very dingy gym, which used to be underground, no ACs, no heat or nothing. Winters, my temperature would be -2 degrees within the gym. So, and I was working with semi-pro wrestlers, semi-pro MMA guys, semi-pro boxers. So these were hardcore guys who were old school. So training with these guys, I fell in love with the old school fashion of fitness. But when my curiosity towards fitness grew, I also saw there are many other types of fitness programs which are very different from old school, which can give you results in a much faster time. So what I decided is, when I came up with this gym, I want to have a blend of the modern and the old school.
It will be a reasonable rate, or how it will be working?
See, basically, again we are starting with 30,000 per annum, which is a flash sale for the next 3 days. Today, tomorrow, and day after. If anyone wants to join our gym, they can join at an annual membership of only 30,000 rupees, which is inclusive of all taxes, all duties, all charges. There are no hidden costs in this.
ये 24/7 ओपन रहने
जी,
वाला है,
yes.
तो ये बाकी जिम्स में जैसे जुम्बा वगैरह ये सब
जी, जी.
कुछ इसमें adding है,
Well, we are certified by Les Mills, so we have Les Mills group exercise workouts. So we'll be having body combat, body pump, body balance, RPM. So I'll just give you a brief description of each and every workout of this now. Body combat is a mixed martial art based workout, in which you can burn up to 700 to 800 calories if you give it 70 to 80%. So tell me any one workout where you can burn up to 700 to 800 calories within 55 minutes.
सेलेब्स भी ज्वाइन कर
जी.
रहे हैं, तो बताना चाहेंगे कि कौन-कौन अभी तक आप उनके लिए बहुत इजी रहेगा क्योंकि 24 आवर्स का जिम है.
Exactly. And again, the reason we are going for 24 hours gym is that a lot of celebs, they cannot work out during the day. They prefer NT gym during the night. Then apart from celebs, we are also targeting people in the airlines industry. They have erratic work schedules. The BPO, people working in BPOs, they come from work very, very late. And there are other industries, you have the media. You guys have erratic work schedules. आपको दिन में काम करना पड़ता है, रात को काम करना पड़ता है. Even it's like there are many industries where people cannot cater to fitness since the gyms close by the time they are home. So our entire logic of keeping it 24/7 is we want to cater everyone, irrespective of what your field of work is, how erratic your schedules are.
24/7 your gym will
Exactly.
work for security purpose. How you do?
Well, our entire gym is covered with CCTV coverage. So each and every corner of our gym, we have a CCTV camera, which so anyone coming in, going out, then the access to our gym is completely on biometrics. So you have to have your thumbprint registered with us. Only then can you enter the gym zone. And again, we don't have a system of RFID bands and the cards. What happens is your cards can be stolen. You can lose your cards, you can lose your bands, but thumbprints cannot be stolen. So our biometric entrance access controls are very safe and secure. At the same time, we have CCTV coverage throughout the gym.
Thank you so much.
Wait. Yes. Okay, wait.
Right? This looks cheaper. Though both of them are.
तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे फिट्सविला के बारे में? पहले तो it's called Fitzville, and I think it's a really cool name because Fitzville basically stands for a fit village. Ville को French में village बोलते हैं. So basically, I really like Abid's choice for the name called Fitzville, and I would also like to wish Abid Hassan congratulations on the gym. The reason I've joined this gym is it's 24 hours, and this gym की unique बात है कि there's group classes, there's weights, an entire floor for leg exercises, which is fabulous. And I'd like to tell all the men out there that don't work out on their legs, please work out on your legs. That's your major muscle. And I think another really cool thing here is that they have an ice bath. I've never tried it, तो मैं ये try करना चाहूँगी because steam और sauna अपने skin को hydrate करता है और मुझे dehydrate नहीं होना, तो an ice bath actually hydrates, sorry, not dehydrate. So I'm looking forward to that. बस बाकी it's a pretty cool gym and आज हम उनको क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले हैं अबाउट देयर हेल्थ, अबाउट देयर बॉडी, उनको अपने आप के बारे में सेक्सी चीज़ क्या लगती है अपने बॉडी के बारे में. वी आर गोना प्ले सम गेम्स, गिव सम इंसेंटिव्स, किसी को पुशअप्स करवाएंगे, वी विल डू सम चैलेंजेस, देखते हैं स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है कौन. थैंक यू.
Wait.
smile becomes fake.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Done.
Everyone here in this camera. Hold on, one more.
I think you like it. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
I'm very happy and very excited because yes, I'm lot more into fitness and it's part of my routine every day, and anything which comes up with fitness, it always attracts me, and this specifically attracts me more because this is 24/7. Because basically what happens is we have a very tight schedule, and sometimes we go in the morning, late nights or something, but this gym is 24 hours and that is the add-on to it because it's wonderful. So anytime you get a time, you can just pick up your gym kit and just come and work out. Yeah, it's a wonderful initiative because, as I say, there's so many people and we all need them to be very fit, and as many places for them to be trained, it's great. And this is something really amazing because this is 24 hours, and people who work in their office, and they can also take out time and come any point of time and work out here. So it's wonderful, it's great, and I think there'll be more fitter people here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, I would like to thank her for saying some many good things about us. Well, yeah, we have kept your actors, media personals, you have cabin crews, they have erratic work schedules. So we have to take care of everyone. Everyone wants to be fit, but they cannot take time. So being 24/7, you can just drop in whenever you feel like.
He's going to work out. He's going to work out.
रोज workout करता हूँ.
Some more tips.
Definitely. Our launch हो रहा है. We are opening our doors to everyone. We hope everyone becomes a part of our family, and work out 24/7. Thank you.
Thank you.